So, what's up? Christmas Eve vlog. Them want go grand market. Them have me. What's your? Alright, you take that. And the crossover. Go grand market. I don't know how much well because it's late. I know 1 o'clock curfew. So I don't know enough time we have on the road. Yeah. So I go to work. We have to just make the best of it. Them festive. Them say Christmas. So we're gonna try to get a taxi for getting a Spanish town to take bus for go for tree. So see you soon. Yeah, for tree. Me and the little gang. About it? Huh? Also, the parade so nice. KFC, they don't get so. Like KFC, they can't do that. Okay, now we can't sit and eat, so we have to just order and then we're gonna leave now because we get through. But them boy, they're gonna buy you, so may wait for them.